And at 6:04, we turn to the latest in the Karen Reed trial. Jennifer McCabe, a friend of Reed and John O'Keefe, says Reed said she hit O'Keefe when the two found his body.
But yesterday, during cross-examination, the defense posed a different story, Raul. NBC 10's Manash Kongwari is live in Dedham this morning to bring us exactly what unfolded during that tense back and forth.
And really, to understand it all, you have to know that before the trial, we spoke to several law experts who said the prosecution would likely use Karen's words against her, the stuff she said in interviews, the statements she made that seemed to show her admitting guilt. But it seems that the defense is deploying the same tactic. And in the case of Jennifer McCabe, they are using her previous testimony against her. As we know, Karen Reed is the one accused of backing her SUV into John O'Keefe outside of a Canton home 3 years ago and leaving him to die there on the front lawn. But it was Karen who found him the next morning. Alongside Jen McCabe and another woman, Carrie Roberts, McCabe was the one who called 911. Roughly 3 months after John's death, McCabe was called to testify in front of a grand jury about what she remembered. And she did. Yesterday, she recounted those same events and mentioned Karen, on the morning they found O'Keefe, said, quote, "I hit him, I hit him, I hit him," admitting to the crime. Well, the defense pointed out when she spoke to the grand jury, again, that was roughly 90 days after O'Keefe's death, she never said Karen said that.
I've spoken to in a few grand juries. What I said specifically at different ones, I don't recall at this moment, but I do know that morning your client said, "I hit him, I hit him, I hit him."
Another witness, another instance of perjury, or instances, I'd say.
Well, there will be no court today. Tomorrow will be a full day of testimony, and McCabe will begin on the hot seat yet again, undergoing cross-examination. Coming up at the half hour, we'll talk about the other important pieces of her testimony. But for right now, we're live here in Dedham. Manash Kongwari, NBC 10 Boston.
All right, Manash, thank you so much. NBC 10 Boston, we are your source for Karen Reed's second murder trial. Tune in every weeknight at 7 p.m. for a live recap of the day's court proceedings and analysis.